Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be discussing how we can showcase the actuals and the forecast numbers with the help of a tachometer in Power BI. So here we have a tachometer showing country-wise actuals and forecast sales, where this pointer represents the actual sales, which are 13 million, and this target line here represents the forecast or the target value, which is 15 million. And similarly, we have 6 different tachometers showing region-wise actuals and forecast sales. So let's understand how we can build these tachometers in Power BI. So here we have the actuals and the forecast sales for all the regions for the year 2016. So here we will create two measures for the actual sales and for the forecast sales. So first I will create a measure for the actual sales. And I will name this as M actuals. And I will apply some function here. And similarly, I will create another measure for forecast sales. And I will name this as M forecast. And I will change the reference to the forecast column. So now we have two measures, one for the actual sales and the other one for the forecast sales. Now we will import Tachometer into Power BI, and for that we will click on Get More Visuals. And here we will type Tachometer. And I will simply click on Add. And now you can see that the visual was successfully imported into this report. So now I will click on Tachometer. Now I will use actuals as the values in Tachometer. And similarly, I will use forecast for the target value. And we will use this forecast value in range 2 as well. So now we have the actuals and the forecast values. And now we will change the formatting of this visual. So I will go to the formatting menu. And first of all, I will change the start angle. And we will keep it as -90 and end angle as +90. And now we will change the colors of range 1 and range 2. So here we have the red color. So I will change the color to this particular color. And for the range 2 we will keep it as green. So I will change this color to this color. And we will change the color of the pointer to black. So I will go to this needle color and I will change this to black. And I will extend this target line to its maximum value. So I will go to target and then I will extend the length of this line. And I will increase the font of this target value. So I will keep it as 16 and I will change the color to red. And now we will increase the count of these axis labels. So I will go to axis labels and then I will increase the count to 12. And now we can create a matrix to review the numbers, and it will look something like this. So here we have the actuals as 13 million and the target value or the forecast is 15 million. And similarly we can create 6 different tachometers to represent region-wise actual sales and the forecast sales. And this is how we can represent actual sales and the forecast sales with the help of tachometer in Power BI.